Hello, friends, and welcome to Alpha Lifestyle. Today, I'm gonna talk about the 5 life changing habits of successful people. What separates a successful person and a person who's not successful? In simple word, it is the habit we do on daily basis. It is the choice we make over the other that define an individual. By looking at the habits of choices of a person, one can assume that a person is going to be successful in future or not. Let's now look at the habits that separate the top 1% from the rest. What are these habits that make them stay at the top of their game? Number 1. The first habit is doing what you love. Successful people do what they love. They try different things and find out what they are truly enjoying doing. For what they are passionate about, they found their calling and now work upon it to improve to be in the top of their game. I am a type of person who believes people are born for a certain reason, and now it's your responsibility to find this reason and give meaning to your life. The work becomes interesting if we do what we love, and this same interest keeps us motivated and inspired to excel in our work. Steve Jobs once said, your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work, and the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Second habit of highly successful people is that they make a concrete plan to achieve their goals. Having a plan is very crucial for the success. Without it, you never achieve it to the fullest. If you are not planning to succeed, you surely plan your failure. But before planning, you must select your goal. Without knowing the destination, you cannot walk on the way towards it. Your goal should be clear in you, otherwise, your path is also easy. Setting a goal gives the direction to work on, and we can accordingly plan to achieve it. One method is to make goals is setting realistic, SMART goals, where SMART stands for specific, meaningful, action oriented, realistic, and trackable goals. Your goal should be specific. You should be pinpointed about your goals. Your goals sound meaningful to you, and goals should be action oriented, and you should know how to take action for it. Your goals should be realistic. If at first it sounds an unrealistic big goal, you should break into many small objectives to achieve your final goal. And at last, your goal should be a trackable one. You should be able to track it so you can know where you reach and what are remaining. It gives you motivation and keeps you on track. If you follow this method, you can plan accordingly to achieve it. Third habit of highly successful individual is that they know the value working on themselves. They know the value of self-improvement. First thing, self-improvement is crucial for your dreams. One must have to improve oneself to achieve their dreams. Self-improvement is not a destination, it's a lifelong process. They know that their most valuable asset is themselves. Therefore, always strive to be better themselves each and every day. It's best to work on improving yourself by learning new things and implementing your knowledge to get better. Fourth thing, now successful people don't fear changes. They welcome the changes and find a way to cope up with the challenges and think open-minded about the new opportunities. They don't restrict their vision. They thought out of the box and took up the needed step. When also, if the path is unconventional or a difficult one. They have a positive outlook toward the new opportunities and challenges. As we already said, they know how to plan, and this outlook of new perspective without fear thinking meets with the optimistic behavior and a good plan. It ultimately leads to a brighter and profitable future opportunities. This mindset is hard to get, but being a good analyzer of people, situations, they plan and took the needed steps. A good analytic mind saves a lot of time, resources, money, which otherwise would have been lost in pursuing the wrong paths. Don't fear to grow in your life. We also need to think more rationally about our decision without being trapped by our comfort zone with a fixed mindset. Fifth and the last habit of the successful people is that they take responsibility. They take responsibility of decisions, either what comes out to be positive or negative. They take responsibility of their work. They take responsibility of their staffs, teams, and employees working under them. They don't blame others for the situations and act maturely. They know that blaming others will not help anyone, or it does make the situation less worse. Taking responsibility makes you more dependable and trustworthy, and people will respect you more. Therefore, we should also take responsibility of our work and commitment to earn others' trust. Hey, you still here? Congratulations for sticking to the last. I'm gonna give you a bonus tip. The bonus tip is read. Read a lot. Reading is one habit which gives you very high return in life. Read books on personality development, habits, psychology, mindset, and for acquiring skills. Adopt this habit and you can thank me later. These habits will definitely help you become successful in life. If you like this, hit the like button and share this piece of information with your friends and family. Thank you. Over and out, Alphas.